Fantasia's love tryst. Could it be bittersweet as her song implies? Costing the once cash-strapped American Idol winner millions? We explore in this edition of iBuyes.com Tabloid TV. When Fantasia walked into the T-Mobile store and saw Antoine Cook, she had to have him. But there was one problem. He was married. So she would break up his home with his wife, alleged in court document papers. And this relationship would go on for over a year, flying him to Barbados, Philadelphia, New York, and other jet-setting cities. Strangely, however, Fantasia had a breakdown after his wife filed for divorce, naming her as the cause of the breakup, bringing the relationship to Front Street. But what may have sent her to her hospital bed after taking an overdose of pills was the fact that the tryst could cost the once reported cash-strapped American Idol winner millions. In North Carolina, a homewrecker can be sued. In the court documents, it lays out a tale of sex, lies, and videotapes. Cook's wife stated that Fantasia recorded her husband's sexual acts with her. There was a time when Cook tried to break off the affair with Fantasia, but Fantasia, according to the court documents, played hardball, calling Anton's cell phone and home phone all hours of the day and night. There was even a time when Cook's wife answered the phone and gave the phone to Cook, stating, "It's her." The Grammy Award-winning artist may have to produce those sex tapes if this goes to trial, as Cook's wife is fighting back and names Fantasia as the cause of their split. And the proceedings could be explosive if Cook gets her way. The couple separated in June, and the estranged wife is seeking child custody, alimony, and other monetary support, according to court documents filed August the 4th.